I'm gonna start. Hello my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about a COVID-19 antigen test DIY. So it's a home test kit. It's required at my workplace, so they give us this one. So I'm gonna show you what's inside my amigos and amigas. Then let's do later the test. I will swab my own nostril here. So inside this is a COVID-19 antigen test guide. So it has an instruction already, my amigos and amigas. It's not that confusing. So this one and this one. So it's a complete test guide. So I read it already. Then the other one is they give us also a swab. Okay. Then another one is the COVID-19 kit. This one is it's like a pregnancy test, by the way, because it's like when you try it, you will just drop a little solution in it. The one that put here, I will show you later. Okay, so this one is a test kit. I got 5 pieces. Then the other one is a tubing. It has a solution inside. So later we will do it. I'm just gonna drop the inside of the test kit here. Later I will show you on how to do it, my amigos and amigas. Then this one. And this one is like a dropper for that. See the silicone tubing here? Okay. And also the film one. So let's try, my amigos and amigas. But before we try, my amigos and amigas, simply here the test kit is like a square one. If it's the C becomes 1 strip only, it is negative. If it's 2, it's positive already. If it's like this, a 1 strip from the column here, the letter T, this one, it is said it is invalid, so you have to repeat it. So let's do it, my amigos and amigas. So before you do it, by the way, hand wash first, okay? So my hand is clean already, but to be sure that it's so clean, sanitize, okay? Sanitize or alcohol hand rub, okay? Okay, let's do it. So before opening this one, my amigos and amigas, you have to check the manufacturing date and the expiry date, because that is very important. It's a guide, the precaution if you're gonna use this at home. So expiry date and the manufacturer date. So this one. Okay, so we're gonna open it. Here, so it's like a pregnancy test kit. Okay. So I open it already, then put here. And let's do the swab. For both nostrils, there are only 1 swab, okay? Remember, my amigos and amigas, in opening this, you should not touch this one, the one that you're gonna put in your nostril. This one, because you have to maintain the sterility, cleanliness, okay? So I'm gonna open it. Okay, here it is, my amigos and amigas. So I'm gonna put it in my not mouth, it's in the nose. I'm gonna put it in my nose for, they said in the guidelines. solution tube, the one that I showed you a while ago. Then rotate and stir it for 5 times. Okay. This is the tubing, by the way, my amigos. Tubing, and open it. Result. Here it is, my amigos and amigas. It's negative here. See? Yeah, it's negative. So this one is like a pregnancy test. Like I'm doing a pregnancy test, but it's a for COVID-19, the antigen. Okay, so this one. So after this one, seeing the result, you must report to your reporting officer, or after doing all this, you must discard it properly in the trash bin. And also, don't forget to hand rub or wash your hand immediately after doing this. So my amigos and amigas, after doing the DIY antigen rapid test, you must discard it properly. Okay, so like this, I have a plastic here. You just discard it properly. Here, the one that you use. Here. And the COVID plastic here. Okay, here. And also this one. Okay. So because this one is a one-time use only, they provide you other test kit here that's included. Okay, so this one, put it in the trash bin. Okay. Then don't forget to hand wash your hand after discarding this. Okay. So my amigos and amigas. Amigos, these are the guidelines if you want to test yourself. So negative if it's the C column, it have a single strip only, and if it's positive, 2 strip from the C and T, and also there's a light line here, you are positive on the COVID-19. And also invalid if there's a red strip here at the column of the letter T, and no strip here, means invalid, and you have to redo it again. So my amigos and amigas, if you like this video about my DIY antigen rapid test, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me.